What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll show you the Knox and MDM fixing, how you can fix or you can set up your phone without Knox and MDM. As you can see, first we format or reset the phone, and we will wait until the phone completely open. After we format the phone, we will see the setup wizard on the phone, and Android is starting. As you see, we'll wait until the phone completely open, and as you see, we can just enable ADB by using the emergency or QR code. On the lower Android version, we use test mode or emergency mode to enable ADB. We will not connect the Wi-Fi. First we go to emergency and *#0* we tap, and we will wait until the test mode is open, and then we connect the cable, and we'll open any tool that can enable the ADB by test mode. You can use any tools to enable the ADB. After enabling the ADB, we tap on OK to access ADB from the PC, and we will close the tool which we use to enable the ADB, and then we open Chimera. Chimera tool can bypass the Knox guard, and we click on bypass Knox guard, and we will wait until the process is finished. It can take some time. We have to be patient until the process is done fully.